use the coffee machine, make sure that it's plugged in and the switch is on. Push this button right here to turn on. Once this button stops blinking, that means that it's ready. Remove the tank, open the lid, pour water inside, attach it back and make sure it's attached correctly to the nozzle. To open the lid, pull this one up, put the capsules inside and close. Make sure to lock it. Put the cup right here. Once you're done, press either of these buttons upon your preference to open. Remove the old capsules right here or the used ones and close. Turn it off, remove the plug and turn off the switch.